This is Hepsia, a new and different kind of control panel. In one word, it's intuitive. Hepsia has an easy-to-use drop-down navigation and responds quickly and naturally to each click. The easy-to-use drag-and-drop features make moving your files fast and smooth. With Hepsia there's no real learning curve because what you need is right there. Each icon takes you straight to where you want to be. This means that actions like creating, renaming, and copying are natural and straightforward. Some things, like registering your domain, are just too hard to do on other control panels. But with Hepsia it can be done with just a click. Features like integrated help tips, video tutorials, on-screen info on your account usage, and the available resources keep you informed and let you take control with ease. Intuitiveness, integrated site tools, and no upsell pages make Hepsia faster and easier to use. Hepsia is a proprietary control panel available only through LiquidNet limited resellers like cloudnovo.com. Order now.